Okay. It's doing the horizontal snow thing, which it's been doing for so freaking long now. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh my God. How much do we... just under 11 inches. I'd say 10 inches. It is just blowing like crazy. Oh my God. If it wasn't for this wind, it wouldn't be too bad, but it just stings. Ouch! It just stings to be out here. All this crap is in my... Ouch! It gets in my eyes and everything else. Oh, jeez, it's all over top of my freaking boots. The birds, thank heavens for my neighbor. She feeds the little birds. They've really been out there. I've got to get out of this. It's just too windy and nasty.